Hello guys, welcome to a new video. So in this one I want to quickly show you how you can very easily set up Iron Condor option strategy in Robinhood Legend. It is much simpler, believe me, to do this compared to doing it in your mobile phone or the old Robinhood platform, right? So it is very easy to kind of analyze and do it right in the same screen with just few clicks. Okay, so that's what we're gonna discuss in this. So first thing is you're gonna do is you go to a blank one. So you should not have anything here, and then you just add Robinhood chain. So that's the first thing. You just add the Robinhood chain here and you do expand it. You can always resize and add more windows. I do have a playlist, kind of sort of a couple of videos so far where I have explained how you can set up this Robinhood Legend. So if you are completely new to Robinhood Legend setup, then do watch those, which I will put the link in the description below. So do watch them, guys. Those are very helpful if you are completely new on the Robinhood Legend setup. This one I'm just gonna show you the Iron Condor strategy in a quick and easy way. You can do it using Robinhood Legend, right? So I'm gonna show you. I've selected Nvidia here, and this is the option chain that you see directly without clicking multiple times and checking what's the Greeks, what's the volume, what's the open interest, right? Like you have to do in the older the Robinhood.com, the usual way, right? So if you are used to that, you may find it a little different, but this is the usual one that you would see in a lot of other trading platforms, right? So once you are in here, and Iron Condor, if you don't know Iron Condor, or if you wanna go in detail in that, then I have a video for Iron Condor which I'll link again in the description. This one I'm not gonna go too detail in the strategy itself. I'm just gonna show you how you can do it in Robinhood Legend, right? So it's a four-legged strategy. It's a kind of a combination of call credit spread and put credit spread, right? So let's set up the call, right? So when it comes to the call credit spread, let's say you do 145, right? So you do sell here, and then you do buy right above this, right? So that's the first one. That's the call credit spread, it said right here. Now let's say on the put side, right? On the put side, you want to do put credit spread, right? So that's like, let's say 140, right? So you do sell here, and then you do buy here, right? So that's all right. So this is your Iron Condor. It's all set up and ready to go, guys. So you can do this. So it's always credit, so you do select credit. Markets are closed right now, that's why you don't see the prices getting reflected here, but once you are in an open market, you would see the prices here, right? So you do select to limit price and submit, and that's all right. So you can actually before doing that, you can clearly see all the numbers in one page, right? You can clearly see how much is the open interest you're doing, what's the delta, what's the theta, right? So all those things you can see, and then decide which strike price would be right when doing both these legs, right? But that's how it is easy. It is you have just couple of clicks and you're set with the Iron Condor, right? It's a very good strategy. Again, if you don't know much about this, and if you wanna learn it proper way, then I will link those videos down in the description. But that's a short video, guys, about how you can set up the Iron Condor using Robinhood Legend. So I hope you liked it. Do subscribe, guys. There are a lot of videos coming in options, and especially on the Robinhood Legend. If you are new, I'm gonna make a lot of videos around this platform. It's a very good platform that they have launched. It helps if you can use it in combination with your old way to get more data out of it, or you can completely switch over to this as well. So a lot of more videos coming, going to come. So do subscribe, guys. I'll talk to you in my next video. Till then, happy investing. Bye bye.